There's a town in Igbo land where once every year quarrelling is forbidden. I am talking about Obohia in Equinox Ahiazu Mbaise. And the name of that festival is Eyirieyi. Before the festival day, there's full 4 market week of preparation. And in that period, no bad conduct is allowed. You don't quarrel, you don't fight. Even though you're having issues with your neighbor, you have to go and reconcile. Because you cannot carry quarrel in your heart and enter Eyirieyi. So our people did not just fix a date for the feast. They fixed the season of peace and put it in a calendar. So that no matter what happens in the community that year, a day is coming where everything will have to be put down. And that day announces itself. Eyirieyi, and it falls on the second Nkwo of August. So once it's August, Obohia is already waiting. And nobody declares anything because everybody already knows. Obohia has 4 communities: Umuedo, Umuihuocha, Elekenowasi, and Amano. Long before now, they celebrated separately. They later came together as one in reference to Ezeala Ogugo, the great ancestral deity of the land. When that day comes, Ezeala Ogugo will eat the new yam, and that is what opens the new year. Not even January. And they will prepare Ogumano. Even a dance will be performed. And the prayer of that day is very simple. May the evil of the past year not return. This festival is over 500 years old. And this year festival falls today, being 11th of August, the day our ancestors has chosen. And it still hasn't changed. And these are the things that die when nobody writes them down. And it's also the same reason I've gathered over 1,000 of our Igbo names with the meanings and how to say them. If you want to hold on to a piece of what is yours, then the link is in the bio.